Click on the link below to get discount. The Westinghouse 4000 peak watt super quiet dual fuel portable inverter generator is a versatile powerhouse designed to meet a variety of power needs while maintaining a noise level that makes it suitable for both residential and recreational applications. Whether you're camping in the woods or experiencing a power outage at home, this generator is built to deliver reliable electricity with impressive efficiency. One of the standout features of this generator is its dual fuel capability, allowing it to run on both gasoline and propane. This flexibility is particularly advantageous for users who seek convenience and fuel availability. Gasoline generally offers a higher wattage output, making it ideal for high-demand appliances, while propane provides a cleaner burn and extended shelf life. Switching between the two is straightforward, which is a bonus for users who may have varying fuel preferences or accessibility. The generator boasts an impressive output of 4,000 peak watts and 3,500 running watts. This level of power is suitable for a variety of applications, such as running household appliances like refrigerators, microwaves, and air conditioners or powering tools and equipment on job sites. The inverter technology ensures that the power output is safe for sensitive electronics, such as laptops and smartphones, protecting them from surges and fluctuations. Operating at a mere 52 decibels, the Westinghouse generator is part of the super quiet category, making it one of the quieter generators on the market. This feature is especially appreciated during outdoor gatherings or camping trips, where loud generators can be disruptive. The quiet operation allows users to enjoy the serenity of nature without the constant hum of a loud engine. The generator's design includes a noise-reducing enclosure that effectively dampens sound, making it an attractive option for those who prioritize a peaceful environment. Portability is another critical aspect of this model. Weighing approximately 110 pounds, it is relatively lightweight for a generator of its capability. The included wheels and telescoping handle facilitate easy transportation, allowing users to move it across different terrains with minimal hassle. The compact design also ensures that it can fit into tight spaces, whether you are storing it in a garage or loading it into the trunk of a vehicle for a camping trip. In terms of design, the Westinghouse generator is aesthetically pleasing, featuring a sleek and modern look that contrasts with many of the bulkier models available. The control panel is straightforward and user-friendly, with clearly labeled outlets including two 120V household outlets, one 12V DC outlet, and two USB ports. This variety allows users to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The generator comes equipped with several safety features that enhance user confidence. The automatic low oil shutdown prevents the engine from running without sufficient oil, which can lead to severe damage. The overload protection feature ensures that the generator shuts down to prevent overloading, which is crucial when using high-demand appliances. Additionally, the generator is EPA and CARB compliant, making it an environmentally friendly option for consumers looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Maintenance is relatively simple, which is vital for users who may not have extensive mechanical knowledge. The generator includes a handy oil funnel to assist with oil changes, and the accessible air filter is easy to clean or replace. Furthermore, the durability of the components suggests a long lifespan when properly maintained, which is a significant investment consideration. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Westinghouse generator performs admirably. On a full tank of gasoline, it can run for about 18 hours at a quarter load, which significantly reduces the frequency of refueling during extended use. This efficiency contributes to lower operational costs over time, making it an economically sound choice. In conclusion, the Westinghouse 4000 peak watt super quiet dual fuel portable inverter generator is a robust and reliable option for anyone in need of portable power. Its dual fuel capability, quiet operation, and portability make it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts, contractors, and homeowners alike. With a strong focus on safety and ease of use, this generator provides peace of mind alongside powerful performance. Overall, it stands out as a versatile and efficient solution for a variety of power needs, ensuring